are off. Alright, so just got off the bus, because what we're going to do today is we're going to try to explore an abandoned or leftover, derelict, whatever you want to call it, army base. It used to be an army base to train the Nazis before the Second World War. Then in 1945, up until the beginning of the 90s, it was used by the Russians. And after the Cold War was just left for nature to take its course, we basically, I think it's behind this wall. It's behind that wall because I can already see some buildings. Oh shit, alright, so that's already buildings over there. So what we need to do is get ourselves ready and I guess just jump in. There isn't much to think about. There's going to be security there. It is private land now, so we've got to be careful. Apparently they make tours in little cars or in little jeeps or whatever. So we've got to be careful for that, keep our eyes and ears open, and it should be fun. Gwiazdy, wiesz, wszędzie. Tutaj patrz. No nie wierzę. Tak samo patrz, jakieś dziewuszki. Teraz zobacz, co ma na ręce. Only saw security once. I don't think they saw us, so carry on walking around. And we always wondered why the Russians have such sick bars. Look at that. Yes. So we figured out that most of the buildings look the same, and all the ones that do look the same, they're kind of like the sleeping headquarters. So we need to hit all the buildings that look different. We need to have a look at them. Yeah, it turns out a lot of stuff has been destroyed, has been demolished. It was definitely worth it. Interesting. We've actually missed two things. We know one thing was destroyed, and then we're still missing one thing, but we're going to do some research. If it is still here, we might come back tomorrow.